Hey everybody, it's Ivy. So today I'm going to show you how I got this amazing hair color and style. This is kind of like a orange, gingery type of copper color. I was highly inspired by the beautiful Alonzo Arnold, and I had to create this style. I had to redo it. So the wig we're using today is from Dsoar Hair, and this is their 613 lace frontal unit. This is 24 inches, and I believe it was 180% density. I was really happy with the quality of the hair. It feels really, really nice, and the wig was very, very full, and the hair was just nice and shiny. Now I did go ahead and tint the lace and the knots on my unit. If you guys want a video showing you exactly how I do this process, let me know in the comment section below. So once my knots were tinted, I colored this hair using two different colors, French Cognac and Cinnamon by Dsoar. I did do the watercolor method, and I used 4 bottles of color. I used 2 of each color. I put it in warm water. Make sure you mix that up really well before putting your wig in. And I just sat my wig in here, just put it down nice in there, and I let this sit in the water for about 10 minutes. You guys, the color came out so cute. But first, I'm going to show you guys how I put on my wig. I used some Got2b gel and just gel back my baby hairs. You guys know I have a low hairline, so I got to get them all out the way. So this is actually the hair color, and it came out like streaked almost. I don't know, but it came out really cute. This is the inside of the wig right here. So I'm gonna go ahead and pop my wig on. I'm not using any ball caps or anything today. I don't got time for that every time I wear wigs. So I'm just measuring it up and lining it up well. And now I'm gonna go in and cut the lace. Make sure you wiggle your scissors back and forth so you don't have that straight line across your head. This is gonna give your wig away, okay? You never want your lace to be straight across. It needs to have some curves and all that stuff going on so it lays flatter and looks more natural. So now I like to put on my wig in sections. I'm gonna do the front area first, and I'm using some Got2b spray to adhere my wig, and I'm just gonna spray that on the area where I want it to stick. Melt it in with my little comb and a blow dryer to go ahead and dry down the product. As you guys can see, it melts into my skin. It looked really good. I was shocked, you know, I was really shocked. It melted really nice. And now I'm going to the other side of my head, and I'm just cutting off the lace first, and then I'm gonna go back in and go ahead and adhere the wig on the side. So I found that doing my hair in sections works a lot better for, you know, my low hairline situation. I'm able to place the wig properly where it needs to go. When I do it in sections opposed to doing the whole thing at one time, it's way easier to do it in sections. So once I was done melting down my hairline, I'm actually gonna go in and do some baby hairs. At first I wasn't gonna do any because Alonzo didn't have any, but I wanted a little bit of baby hair. So I'm just gonna pull out some pieces from around the hairline. I don't want too many. And then I'm gonna cut it using a razor blade. And I like using a razor blade because it just makes my baby hairs lay, you know, way more flat, and I don't know, they just look more natural when I use the blade to cut them than using regular scissors. So once I'm done cutting them, I went in with some Eco Styler gel, and I just, you know, sculpted my little baby hairs in place, and it looks really cute with baby hair. I really like the little baby hair on it. It adds a little flair. Also with baby hair, you guys, less is really more. Like, you don't want to overdo it with your baby hair and your swoops. It just really makes your wig look fake, okay? You don't want to do too much of it because it looks so bad, y'all. So, you know, less baby hair, okay? It just looks way better. So now I'm going to put my hair in the little ponytail on the top, and I'm just sectioning off the hair, and I'm pulling it into place. So I'm going to put an elastic band on it and get it nice and secure, but I'm not making it too tight because I'm actually going to redo my ponytail, and I'm going to show you guys why in a second. I'm going to take some holding spray, and I'm going to spray it around the hairline, and this is just going to help mold my ponytail to stay in place. And I'm just brushing the hair back. And once I have everything shaped how I want it and in place, I'm actually going to take the ponytail down and redo it so everything looks, you know, more smooth and seamless and neat. So now I'm just redoing the ponytail. I'm just brushing everything back into place, and I'm gonna make this next elastic really, really secure. Get my ponytail positioned properly, and now I'm gonna take a little piece of hair from the back, and I'm gonna wrap that around the elastic just to, you know, create a more flawless, seamless look. This is how Alonzo's hair was styled, so, you know, I'm recreating the style. So that's what I'm doing, and just spray a little bit of holding spray around that part just so it doesn't come loose. And now I'm just gonna give it a quick flat iron. I'm using my Ion flat iron, and I really like this. I got it from Sally Beauty. I will link it below. And you guys, I was just in love with this color and this wig. If you guys are interested in this wig, make sure you check the description bar below. Links and details will be down there. You guys, this color just flatters my skin really good. It's so cute. It looks almost, I don't know how to explain this color. It's like a honey ginger spicy color. I really don't know how to explain it. I think my color looks a little bit different from Alonzo's, but still similar. Mine is more like a streaked color. I don't know, mine reminds me of my birthstone. Like, that's what it looks like to me. Mine looks more like a topaz color or something like that. I don't know, but it's really, really gorgeous. The hair was nice and bouncy. It flat ironed with no problem. It was no burning or anything like that. Yes, you guys, I've had blonde wigs actually melt on me. This hair was really good, and the wig did come pre-plucked. I didn't have to do much to it at all, you guys, except for tint my knots and my lace. The wig was really easy though to customize for my skin tone. Hope you guys enjoyed this video. This was definitely one of my favorite colors I've done. Colors and everything I use will be in the description bar below. Thanks again for watching, you guys. Please don't forget to comment and subscribe, thumb this video up, and I will talk to you guys next time.